there, in this video I'm going to show you how to play El Mariachi Loco. I don't have the sheet music to this one, but I'm going to show you all of the notes and everything to play. I'm also going to show you the trumpet parts in case you're playing in a group or like a trio where it's only you, one violin, guitarrón, and vihuela. I'm going to show you the trumpet parts so you can know the whole song. So it starts off ha, hey, he, etc. And then we have, so that's G, B, C natural, C sharp, to D. Again. One last time, more slow. And then a similar pattern on one string over. D, F sharp, G. G sharp to A. Okay, that's the trumpet part. And then the violins jump in. So we're in third position, remember? Right here where the third finger goes, boom. Now we replace it first finger. And in this position we have A, second finger B, third finger C natural, and fourth finger D. So the notes are D, D, C, A. And then A, D, D, C. So I really recommend staying in that third position with your first finger on the string. Notice my first finger doesn't lift. That's going to ensure that you stay in the same position, and whenever you play D, the fourth finger, it's almost always going to land in that right position. Versus if you lift off, you have no sense of what position you're in, what notes you're playing. That's an exaggeration, obviously, but you want to keep that third position locked in. So after that, I like to play double stops, B and G. It's up to you. To me, I like the way that sounds better, but you can play G. Okay, and get that rhythm. One more time. And after that, the trumpets. And if you're playing that by yourself, G, 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 B, G, B, B, A, G, B. Again, just that. One more time. Continue. G, 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 F sharp A, F, D, C natural. Nice and slow. One last time. And then F sharp A, G, F, A, and then F sharp, E, D, C, B, C, C sharp to D. Or you can play just a scale down. Most likely that scale, we'll play it the second time. So a full round, the trumpet starts it repeats the whole thing again. And here to kind of end the phrase, it makes it sound more final. Then it goes again back to the violinist. Now you can add a variety to this riff within that D7 sort of arpeggio. D, C natural, A, F sharp, and D. The easiest is what I've heard a lot of groups do is and that's just again the same notes, A, D, C, then F sharp, and then after that you can do a little Batman. It's G, F sharp, F natural, or you can do a G major scale. So you'd have to practice getting that up to speed. And then back up. And that's pretty much the whole song, however many vueltas, verses, and rounds you guys want to take it. The ending. Okay, that's like the most complicated ending. What a lot of groups can do is you can just tremolo and then the guitarron, and everybody cuts off on that last G. But if you want that complicated one, D, C, B, A, G, D, D, E flat, F sharp, and again I like to play double stops, so either open A with that F sharp and then B and G, or you can do F sharp and C natural, whatever's easier for you to play, and then B, C, C sharp, D, C sharp, C natural, B, and tremolo. So that whole complicated ending after. Alright, hope that helps you. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.